Hey all, it's Miss Gross. I'm going to go over the IXL W3 classifying triangles. Um, Last week you all were telling me what kind of triangles were acute, right, and obtuse. So I feel like you've got a good handle on it, but let's go over a few of these questions just to make sure that you have a good understanding of angle measures and types of triangles. So remember, an acute triangle, all angles are less than 90 degrees. A right triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. And an obtuse triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. So this one says a triangle has angle measurements of 29 degrees, 89 degrees, and 62 degrees. What kind of triangle is it? And so all of them would be less than 90, so it would be an acute triangle. Then this one, look, you've got one angle that is greater than 90 degrees. The other two are acute, and so it would be an obtuse triangle. This one angle is 90 degrees, the other two are acute, so this would be a right triangle. Let's move to a higher level. This one, now you're looking at this type of angle, or this one is classifying it by its sides. And so when you're doing sides, you want to make sure that you know that a scalene triangle has no sides or angles the same. A isosceles triangle has two angles and two sides that are the same, and an equilateral triangle is all sides and all angles are the same. And so when you read this one, if you had a one that was equal, it would also have a one there. But this one's 1, this one's 2, and this one's 3, and it tells you that they're all three different, and therefore it would be scalene. So this one, this is how they do the sides. And again, they mark them based on what they're like. So this one is 1, this one has 2 hash marks, and this one has 3. So all 3 sides are different. So this one would be scalene. Now look at this one. Do you see how they're all the same? So that would be 1, 1, 1. They're all the same, and so all sides are equal. So it would be equilateral. This one has 1, 2, and 3. None of them are the same, so it would be scalene. Hopefully we can find one that's isosceles. This one right here would be isosceles. Do you see how it has these two are the same, but this one is different? This one's a right angle, and these are two acute angles, but they're the same, so this one would be isosceles. And we're going to do one of these challenge ones. Do you see how this one and this one are the same, and then this one doesn't have any? So it would be isosceles as well. And then this one would also be isosceles. All right, I hope this video helped you and helped you remember scalene, equilateral, and isosceles, as well as acute, obtuse, and right. If you're still not sure, go back to your notes, go back to your guided notes, write them down. Write down acute, right, obtuse angles, and write down the definitions. Write down scalene, isosceles, and equilateral, and write down the definitions. That way you can go through and make sure that you know how to do these. Hope you have a great day.